How far would you go for true love? Would you die for it? Sure. But would you hold it? In the Tidong culture of Borneo, the honeymoon doesn't start with champagne, it starts with a lockdown. For 3 days and 3 nights after the wedding, the newlyweds are strictly forbidden from using the bathroom. No urination, no defecation. And they aren't on the honor system. Family members take shifts watching them to ensure no one sneaks off. The belief? If they break the seal, they break the marriage, risking infidelity or the death of future children. If they can control their most basic biological urges together, they can survive anything. But if you think that's intense, wait until you see what happens with the fish. In the West, we like weddings clean and dry, but in anthropology, bizarre just means different. For many cultures, messy fluids aren't gross, they are blessings. Take the Maasai in Kenya. As a bride leaves home, her father spits on her head and chest. Disrespectful? No. In an arid landscape, moisture is life. Spittle contains the father's essence and vitality. It also acts as a spiritual camouflage, disguising the precious bride to protect her from evil spirits who might get jealous of too much praise. Meanwhile, for the Tujia people of China, the fluid of choice is tears, but not just sad tears, musical tears. Starting a month before the wedding, the bride must cry for an hour every night. 10 days later, her mom joins in, then grandma. It's a weeping choir. If she doesn't cry well, the village might mock her for being uneducated. It's actually a way to protest leaving her family, socially sanctioned rebellion through sobbing. Sometimes the body has to suffer to prove it's ready. In South Korea, after the wedding, the groom can't leave with his bride until he endures the falaka. His friends beat the soles of his feet, often using a dried yellow corvina fish. Why? Traditional medicine says it stimulates blood flow and vitality for the wedding night. Plus, it smells funny. In Scotland, they take it further with the blackening. Friends capture the couple and cover them in treacle, soot, feathers, and fish guts. Then they parade them through town. It's a humility check. If you can handle being covered in molasses and feathers together, paying a mortgage will be a breeze. Humans are superstitious. We like to make noise to scare away ghosts. In Germany, this is the Polterabend. Guests smash stoneware and porcelain in front of the house. Some even bring toilets, but never glass. Glass brings bad luck. The couple has to clean it up together. It's their first job, managing life's messes as a team. But what if the stars say your husband is going to die? In India, if you are a Mongolic, influenced by Mars, your spouse is cursed. The solution? Use a loophole. You perform a full wedding ceremony to a clay pot or a banana tree. Then you smash the pot. The curse is broken because your first husband, the pot, is dead. Now you can marry the human guy, safely. Even Bollywood stars have done this. We end in the Marquesas Islands of Polynesia. Here, the bride's relatives lie face down on the ground to create a human carpet. The couple walks across their backs. It looks like submission, but it's actually support. The family is literally carrying the weight of the new union. Whether it's holding your bladder in Borneo or dodging flying toilets in Germany, these rituals aren't just crazy. They are how we manage the fear of the unknown. Which one of these would you endure for love? Let us know in the comments. And please, don't try the fish thing at home.